Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
It's the stuff of science fiction movies, but in this case, NASA is not using manned spacecraft to smash into and divert asteroids. The agency and its Planetary Defense team last month used DART, built by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab, where Lisa Wu is an engineer and managed the mission for the Planetary Defense Coordination Office at NASA. About the threats, she says, larger asteroids, which are easily tracked, aren't posing any danger right now.
No, it's the other ones, the ones when you step down to like the 100 meter. Those are the ones that in 2013, they hit a town in Russia. They are a natural disaster similar to hurricanes and tsunamis.
And they are the type that it is hoped the DART system could defend against.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.